Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to buy a domain on Porkbun 2025. So step number 1, create your Porkbun account. You will be required to provide valid contact information for your account. Once you've finished signing up for your account, you will be logged in automatically. Navigate to the domains page where you can search for your new domain name as well as review our pricing for all TLDs we offer. In the search bar, enter the heading Search for your new domain name and type in the domain name you want to register. Alternatively, you can have multiple domains you wish to search for, and you can select the bulk search option to the right of the search bar and enter multiple domain names. You can search for a maximum of 100 domains and add all available ones to your cart automatically. Once you have entered the domain or domain names, select the magnifying glass icon in the search bar and wait a few seconds as we whiz around the internet to see if the domain is available. You will be redirected to a search page that will display if your domain is available or not. The page will also recommend other domain extensions that might be a good fit. If you see the domain is available, select the plus sign to the right of the domain name, which will add it to your cart. Once the domain is successful, added to your cart, click the checkout button that appears on the left of the plus sign. This action will redirect you to the checkout page. Double check that you are registering the exact domain name you want, since it cannot be changed after registration. You can review some of the extra options such as adding web hosting or email hosting to the domain. If everything looks correct, click on the Continue to Billing button to proceed through checkout using one of the accepted payment options. And that's it. Now you have a brand new domain registered in your Porkbun account. Thanks for watching.